Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about articles. A and the are called articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. Actually, these are called demonstrative adjectives. They demonstrate quality, quantity, size, shape, color and number, etc. Now, we are going to learn about a and an. Where we use, how we use, what are the rules, we will learn now. Here you can observe. Articles are demonstrative adjectives. A or an indicates one. Means a or an means one. A or an is placed before countable singular nouns in a sentence. Countable singular noun means the noun which we can count as 1, 2, 3 is called countable singular noun. Now you can observe here. Cat. We can count 1 cat, 2 cats. Ant. We can count 1 ant, 2 ants like that. Poet. 1 poet, 2 poets we can count. Pen. 1 pen, 2 pens we can count. An egg. 1 egg, 2 eggs we can count. Now, actually before some words I have written a, before some words I have written an. Why I have written, we are going to learn. First, we will learn where we use an, that indefinite article. First one. If the noun begins with vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, we use an. Vowel sound, you observe here. Actually, out of 26 letters, 21 are called consonants, remaining 5 are called vowels. Now, before vowel sound, we use an. For example, here you observe Indian. What is that word? Indian. What is that pronunciation? E. That's why we should use here that an. And next, here you observe educated man. Here it is giving a, means vowel sound, not letter. That's why we have to use here an. And next, umbrella. Here it is giving a. A means vowel sound. We know that. Before that we use an. Now you can see here. I am an Indian. He is an educated man. I bought an umbrella yesterday. Here you can observe E, A, A. Okay. Next. Second one. Sometimes, though the first letter of the word begins with the letter consonant, it gives vowel sound. You observe here. Okay. Once you see this word, our. Actually, it is that H is consonant word, but it is giving vowel sound. You observe here, our, that vowel sound. That's why we should use an. And next, here you see, honest. In the same way, though it is a consonant, it is giving vowel sound. That's why we have to use an. So, an hour, an honest man, and an honorable person, like that. Next, here you can see M, sound you observe. Actually, it is a consonant letter, but it is giving vowel sound. M. That's why we have to use an. In the same way, here you see an MLA, an MCOM, an MBBS, an IAS. Actually, here, all are consonant letters, but they are giving vowel sound. And here, of course, it is a vowel sound at the same time vowel letter. And here, an SI, an Xmas tree, an RMP doctor, an LLB student, an NCC officer, etc. For example, you see, he is an honorable man. Here, H is actually consonant letter, but it is giving vowel sound. So, actually, it is a silent H. Before silent H, we use an, and before abbreviations, we use an. Here, she is an MLA, not she is a MLA. Harishchandra was an honest person. Fourth one, she got an MA degree last year. Actually, seeing this letter here, what we think, we may use A, but according to pronunciation, we should use an only before all these words. And next, look at the following phrases. Actually, before silent H, we use an. But here, when H is pronounced ha, then we can use A. For example, you pronounce it humble man. Now, how it is pronounced? Ha, humble man, not humble man. Then we can use A. At this time, we should not use an. And here, you observe here, humorous poem. Humorous means here actually ha. So we can use a humorous poem. And a historical monument. Here you observe. Actually, when H is silent, we can use an. But when H gives a sound, at that time we can use a. So here you see, a humble man, a humorous poem, a historical monument. Okay. Now we will learn about a, where we use. If the noun begins with consonant sound, we use a. In the same way here, a kite, uk sound, k, uk sound. So we can use a kite. And here p, consonant sound. And here bag, in bag, b, consonant sound. Here in this word, b, consonant sound. Here it is consonant sound. So we can use a before all these nouns. For example, Amit made a kite. I bought a table yesterday. Like that. Second rule. Sometimes, though the first letter of the word begins with the letter vowel, it gives consonant sound. The vowel letters U, E and O sometimes give consonant sound. Listen carefully. Here you observe this word, union. Actually, in this word, U is vowel letter, but it is giving consonant sound. How is it possible? Means union. Union means U means ya. Ya means Y. Y means here consonant. That's why we should use a union. In this word also you observe one thing. University. Here actually, here also same thing. U is vowel letter, but it is giving consonant sound. So, university means ya. Ya means Y. That's why we have to use a. And next, a useful thing. Here also same thing. Useful, ya. That's why we have to use a. And here you observe. Actually, in this word, E, U, both are vowels, but both are giving ya sound, means European. U means ya, ya means Y. That's why we have to use a. Before that, we should use a. And in the same way, you observe here, what is that pronunciation? One. One means V. V means consonant letter. V means consonant letter sound. So, one. A 1 rupee note. A one-eyed beggar. A 1 rupee coin. Like that. Not an. We should not use an. A only we should use here. And next, for example, he is a university student. Next one, they formed a union. Third one, my mother gave a 1 rupee note to my sister. He is a European by birth. It is a useful thing. Like that it comes. Third one, a is used before the unknown persons. Here you can see A. Mr. Raghuveer came to meet father. Actually, Raghuveer is unknown to the speaker. That's why here we can use A before that name. And next example, a Miss Vimala is waiting outside. So before unknown persons, strangers, we can use A. I hope you understood well. Please check the below description. I have attached material. If you like this video, click on like, share it to others, and please do subscribe. Thank you.